Please watch this video kasi I'm sure makakatulong din to sa inyo. And I'm sure marami ring nakakaranas sa inyo sa pinagdadaanan dito ni Kuya na nag-message sa akin. Ang sabi ni Kuya ay, "Good day sir, pa-advise po sana. I have a girlfriend, 1 week pa lang po kami. We already went for several dates. Nagsama na din po kami sa isang kwarto. And we went to a fight because I demanded more attention, care, and understanding for her. Parang nakukulangan po kasi ako sa kanya. But when I demanded it, nagalit siya. And she said, I'm too OA. Don't expect too much from me and I'm not perfect, sabi. And instead of just fighting, she breaks up with me. And she ignores every message of mine. But she always checks my stories. Ako po agad nag-sorry sa kanya by sending gifts and long messages. Tinanong ko friend niya if galit pa siya sa akin, pero wala po daw siyang imik. And I asked her one time if maayos pa namin. Ang sabi niya, give me some space and time. Tapos ang sabi ko, aantayin kita. And she said, don't expect too much from me. Mag-antay ka hanggat gusto mo. I'm currently doing no contact with her for 2 days and wala pa pong nangyayari. I really miss my girlfriend, sir. What should I do? Okay, so ang unang pinakamali dito ni Kuya, masyado siya naging needy. Guys, being needy is feminine energy yan. And what happens if a girl senses na you are less of a masculine guy than she previously thought you were? She will lose attraction. Mga sigarilyo, I want you to understand na kung nakukulangan kayo sa lambing ng mga GF nyo, it is not your job to demand more lambing from her. Nagiging validation seeker ka na nun. Instead, what you should do is just let her do her thing. Like, hayaan mo lang siya kung kailan siya maglalambing sa'yo or kung paano ka lalambingin. Remember guys na you should love in a way that the person you love feels free. Meaning na just let her do the lambing whenever or however she wants. Hindi yung, ano ba yan babe? Hindi ka man lang sa akin nagsabi ng, kumain na ba ako today? Huwag ganon sigarilyo. Trust me. If you do that, matutulad lang kayo kay Kuya dito. And that is actually one of the main reasons kung bakit nagalit itong si babae kay Kuya. Because he's not acting like a man. Okay, so na-establish na natin kung bakit nakipaghiwalay at nagalit itong si girl kay Kuya. Dito na tayo sa phase kung saan hiwalay na sila. So sabi dito ni Sigarilyo is he keeps on sending gifts and long messages dito kay babae. I'm assuming para mapagaan ang loob ni girl. Wrong move. Instead, what you should do kung nasa ganito kang situation is to apologize, syempre, and acknowledge na you were acting needy and apologize for this behavior. After that, wag mo nang bigyan ng gifts or long messages pa. There's no need for that already. Instead, what you should do after that is to give her time and space. Trust me, masasakal ng husto yung babae if you keep doing this. Kita mo, si girl na mismo yung nagsabi na to give her time and space. Ganyan actually yung mga babae. They help us out. They will give hints on what you should do to mend a broken relationship. In this case, Sigarilyo, chasing her to get her back will actually do the opposite. Mas lalo lang siyang lalayo sa'yo. So once you have already said your piece and apologized and acknowledged your mistakes, go no contact on her now 100%. And by doing no contact, I mean accept mo na wala na siya sa buhay mo and just move on emotionally. Yung iba kasi dyan naka no contact daw sila. Pero mayat maya sumisilip sila sa phone nila hoping na mag-message na yung babae. Wrong move, bro. When you say no contact kasi guys, assume na wala na siya sa buhay mo and already move on emotionally. Just go do your purpose, whether it be studying, working, or whatever it is. Love yourself naman. Go to the gym. Go out with your friends. Do what makes you happy. Mahalin mo naman yung sarili mo. Ngayon, if bumalik yung attraction level sa'yo ng babae kasi you gave her room to think about you and miss you, kokontakin at kokontakin ka niyan. And when that time comes, have a short conversation lang sa kanya. And side note lang, wag mong ipahalata sa kanya na sobrang miss na miss mo na siya. Just act cool. Kailangan cool ka lang. And then, ask her out on a date na kagad. If she accepts, then yeah, you have a chance of winning her back if you play your cards right. Kasi believe it or not, naranasan ko na rin ito way back nung college nung 1976. Jowa ko na din si girl. Pero dumating yung point na parang it feels like she's pulling back, hindi na siya ganun ka-sweet sa akin. Ako naman, parang ito din si Kuya. Nagdedemand din ako ng lambing sa kanya and asking her bakit siya nagkakaganyan. So ang ending, sabi niya, Cool off muna tayo. She even said the same thing and sabi niya na I need time and space muna. Sabi pa nga niya sa akin wag ka muna mag-message sa akin. At that time, I was really heartbroken. But I have no choice but to do what she says. So yun, hindi nga ako nagparamdam sa kanya. Then after a few days, I think mga 1 week or more yata, yan na. Siya na mismo nag-message sa akin. And then, we got back together. So, ganun lang no, Sigarilyo. I hope nakatulong ako sa'yo and follow for more. Meron na rin akong Instagram and FB page. Links are in my bio as well as my YouTube account. Mag-subscribe na rin kayo doon. Peace!